Hey guys, Flareon, Pokemon 25853 here, dab 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 dab, and today we will be opening a Magearna EX tin I got for my birthday. Okay, open this. That was easy. Some people on YouTube struggle to do this. I don't know why. Put that there. Open up the tin. Here is the front. Here we have Magearna EX. And the code for you guys today is that. Okay, I'm gonna get these booster packs out. So, 4 booster packs: Steam Siege, Breakpoint, Fury, XY, Furious Fists. So, I will be emptying this tin and putting it at the back. So when I record a video, I have this behind me, probably, or over there, because I'll change my setup anyway. I don't know. So we're gonna do XY Breakpoint, XY Steam Siege Breakpoint, Steam Siege. Okay, here we go. Here we go, first pack. This is XY Furious Fists. So we got a launcher. I will show you at the end. Minimum, Scraggy, an Eevee, Patra, Plus, a Holo Landorus, Sparkling Robe, Jaw Fossil, Watchog. Here's the code. So this is what I got. Watchog, Fossil, Jaw Fossil, Sparkling Robe, Holo Rangerus, Reverse Holo Plusle, a Patra, an Eevee, Scraggy, a Minimum, and a Clauncher. Where did I put the code? Did I put it in here? I put my codes over there. Actually, I don't. I put them here. Oh. Okay. Now we have Steam. Guess what? Comment down below. I'm not even going to say it. I gave you a clue. Steam. It's Steam Siege. What the hell happened with this pack? So we got a Seedot, Sneasel, Oshawott, Fletchling, Lavestra, Reverse Holo Dino, a Spritter Bomb, Rare, Fluffy, Persian, Azumarill, Water and Fairy, and the code. Guys, do you trust me? You trust me to just show you. So we got Azumarill, a Persian, Fluffy, Spritty Bomb, Dino, Lavestra, Fletchling, Oshawott, Sneasel, and Seedot. So I'm going to put that there and tidy it later. Now here's a breakpoint. Hope I get a break or an EX or anything good. Or I could attach the camera to the my phone to the ceiling. Oh, nothing good. So I got a Cricketot, Skrelp, Staryu, Scorpy, Petatil, Reverse Holo Glameow. Oh, did I get another Meowstic? A Meowstic, Max Potion Trainer, Bayleaf, and Sudowoodo. And okay. Put that to the side. Oopsie doke. Last pack. Something good. At least a hollow would do. Come on. Guys, I'm going to show you. No luck. Yep. Code. Okay. Let's see what I got. So you already know what I got. I got a Yammer, just going to tell you. Sneasel, Litleo, Nose Pass, Chimchar, Reverse Hollow Clauncher, Samurai, Bravery, Nuzleaf, and a Rapidash. So the tin wasn't good, but I guess I did get Magearna EX. So I guess that's good. Here's a tin one last time. Thank you for watching. Flareon Pokemon. Tin opening 1. Bye.